In the world of architecture, there are homes that not only serve as dwellings, but also tell the story of their occupants' life journey. One such example is Brighton House, a property that has undergone various transformations over the past few decades. Initially owned by the clients since the 1970s, the house has evolved along with their changing needs. As their family grew, so did their requirements, particularly for space to accommodate family activities and welcome their grandchildren. The extension project, which began in the early 1990s, was initially planned as a minor update. However, with changing life needs and the retired lifestyle, the project expanded into a larger renovation plan. Although the house structure did not hold official heritage status, efforts were made to preserve its character and authenticity. Existing spaces were reimagined to create a more open and flexible layout in line with the changing needs of the occupants. The chosen materials and designs beautifully blend traditional and contemporary elements. The use of native Australian hardwood provides a warm and natural touch. A key to the success of this project was the harmonious integration between the old and new parts of the house. Distinctive architectural details of the old house, such as fireplaces and accessories, were carefully preserved and restored, while new elements interpreted these features with a contemporary touch. Brighton House is a perfect example of how architecture can respect the past while creating comfortable and functional spaces for the future. It's a beautiful blend of nostalgia and innovation, telling the story of a home and the family within it. concludes our brief impression of Brighton House, a captivating work by FIGR Architecture and Design. We hope you enjoyed our journey through space and time. Thank you for watching.